Hey guys, so today we are in the city of Celje in Slovenia, and behind me you can see Celje castle up there. But we'll not be going today to the castle. We'll just take a stroll down the river here and maybe go see city center. Let's go. The river that runs through Celje, it's called Savinja River, and they have a nice walking path here by the river. Today is the beginning of February, about 14 degrees Celsius, so a nice time to take a walk. So where did Celje get its name? It was known as Celje during the Roman period, and later on developed from Vulgar Latin Celea to today's name, which is called Celje, or as locals call it, Ciele or Cele. In German it's called Cili, and it's also known in Italian at Cilje or Celje. So yeah, that's about the name of this city. And as you have seen before, there is a big castle just above the city of Celje, which is called, yeah, you guessed it right, Celje Castle, which is also known as Celje Upper Castle or Old Castle. Now this castle was built in 1322, and it used to be the seat of the Counts of Celje. Yeah, it was once the largest fortification on Slovene territory, and there it is up there on the hill. The river also offers its wildlife. So we have the duckies, 2 males, 1 female duck. Duck dinner. Local artists. And the bridge. So from the river side we'll go into the old city center, which looks like this. We are at Celje Library here, and we'll make it down to the downtown. Now, who can tell me in which style this building is made? I guess it's like a museum. Or a gallery. There's the dragon thingy up there, and the crest there. Let's go see what this is. So, this is old county hall from 1580s to 1603. So, Renaissance style, if you've been wondering. Okay, let's go to the center. Or let me show you how it looks here. Now let's feel important and walk between these columns. There's the entry. Entrance, it says entrance. Oh, looks like a museum. Let's say bye-bye to the Renaissance building and say hello graffiti. So, some modern street art. Okay. There's the river and the church, but we'll turn left and go to the main street in this city, the city of Celje. So it looks medieval, yeah, the narrow streets. Not that tall buildings. Another graffiti. Who wants some fish? You go there and ask how much is the fish? But it's a mechanical one, you see, so it's from the future. Getting lost in Celje. There we go again. The mechanical fish. Do 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 do. Beep 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 beep. And she's a queen or a king. It has a crown. Made it through this tunnel. Now let's go. The main street should be just around the corner there. But even this one, it's kind of nice with the old buildings. Today is a holiday here, so everything is closed. Well, except for the bars. And I think Alfred Nobel, did he live here? So, you know, the Nobel Prize? Yeah, that's him. Let's see what this is. Billet House. This building was entirely preserved, early Renaissance architecture. Okay, lodging soldiers here. And there's the crest of the city of Celje. And here, I guess, bar scene. Yeah, it's like a tavern. So food and drinks down there in the old walls of that building. And we made it to the main square. Demons on the walls. And behind it the church. Okay, let's not get killed by this car. There's a woman driving, you know. Some nice cars. And there we go. The main square. And she already wants to kill me, you see. So, more bars like this. Monuments to Almighty up there in the sky. Anyway, so this is the main walking street here in the city of Celje. The decorations that you will see up there are because the carnival is in this week in Slovenia. It's called Pust. It's when people wear masks. It's like a Slovenian Halloween. Why do people wear masks? So they scare away the winter, you know, so that the spring can come. That's basically the roots of that carnival. That's why those ribbons are hanging up there. And that's the old city center of Celje. And this is where there's another church there. Spar, the grocery shop. And yeah, another little street there. Okay, let's walk down this one. And back. Look at this. The main square behind the church of, I think, Anton Slomšek it's called. And yeah, if you come to Celje, be sure to visit the castle up that hill. It's been renovated, but there is an entrance fee there. I'm not sure how much it is now. But yeah, you have a nice watchtower there, so you can see the whole city of Celje down. So if you want some Instagram photos, stuff like that, you should visit the castle. Yeah, and if you're not afraid of heights, of course, because if you're afraid of the heights, you will not be climbing that tower, you know. You want to be a star? Come here. I'll make you a star. So yeah, hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, comment. See you on the next one. Take care, guys. Okay, another nice tower house there. Just wanted to share this. And with this, we officially end now the video.
So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Be sure to leave your comment down below. Check out my video up there in the corner. See you in the next one, guys.